Right now with the uncertainty in the markets, I like to be holding cash. I know, I get it, right? Ray Dalio says cash is trash. Well, in a highly inflationary environment, cash is trash. As Michael Saylor says, it's like a melting ice cube. However, we are going into potentially a deflationary period. We don't know. And so because of that uncertainty, the optionality that I like comes from having some cash. Now, how much cash? Depends on where you see the market, probably 25 to 35%. It gives you dry gunpowder to take advantage of opportunities and de-risk your situation. Now, people ask, where do I hold the cash? Do I mean that I hold it in the bank or in some other type of account? So I typically hold my cash in the bank, not in my mattress, although I do keep some out of the bank in case I need to grab it and go. But most of it sits in the bank. Now, you want to hold probably less than $250,000 in the bank because of the FDIC insurance. If you have more than that, break it apart into multiple accounts. If you're afraid of your bank losing your money in the FDIC and whatever process that might look like to get that money, another safe place to put it would be in a brokerage account. So your Charles Schwab, your E-Trade, they also have FDIC insured accounts. And so they are typically much safer than a bank because they're not doing all the risky lending and so forth. So if you're worried about the bank insolvency and what that FDIC process might look like, then keeping money at a broker might be a better option. And then local credit unions. Local credit unions and local banks might also be another good option. And like I said, break apart accounts to keep them under that $250,000 threshold. A couple other places that you could keep cash would be in US dollar stable coins. Now, I've given warnings about these stable coins. Be very careful with ones that aren't fully backed by dollars or dollars like instruments like treasuries. As far as I know, there's only two. There's USDC and there's GUSD. All the other ones, they say they're fully reserved, but reserved with what? Terra Luna token was reserved with Terra tokens, but when they went to zero, what good was the collateral? So be very careful with that. So stable coins that are 100% fully reserved, cash in brokerage accounts or credit unions, and then also just in the banks, keeping it under a $250,000 threshold. That's what I'm liking to do with my cash right now.